Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton with Peyton Energetics, and I'm a Pleiadian channel and starseed coach. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the energies of the month. In case you happen to have missed the monthly energy report, we're going to talk a little bit about what's coming up and what we want to be prepared for. But before we dive into that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. So as we move forward into the energies of the next month or so, the Pleiadians are telling us we're going to be noticing two energetic themes. The first theme is sovereignty, and the second theme is authenticity. And these are going to be themes that are carrying us forward from this point on. So according to the Pleiadians, what we're going to be noticing in the energies, especially of the next month or so, is that we are starting to step back into our creator shoes. We are no longer going to be outsourcing our sovereignty. And there are so many ways that we do this as humans, where we let the outside world tell us what reality is. If you think about it, that is the main illusion of 3D, that we let the outside world tell us what is real. But as we move forward in these energies, we are taking back our sovereignty. We are not going to be so easily led. We are not going to follow just anyone who happens to be speaking. We are not going to be complying for the sake of complying. So this is going to be showing up for a lot of light workers and starseeds, where we start to say no. No to anything that is out of alignment with our soul. No to anything that insults our heart. No to anything that is not for the best and highest good of everyone. We're just not going along with the charade anymore. So that is something that we're going to see getting stronger in all of us. We are going to start unblocking those throat chakras. And something that goes along with our reclaiming our sovereignty is that we start to take back actual control over our reality. Because as the P's have explained to us time after time over the past couple of years, the more we're out there looking around at what everyone else is doing, the more we are going with them. We're attaching ourselves to their timeline, because wherever we put our focus and attention tends to be where we're putting our energy. We tend to be reacting emotionally to what we see other people doing and saying. You can see that everywhere in the world right now. But as we do that, the more we are focused on what the other monkeys are doing, then the more we let the other monkeys determine our reality, because we're just buying into someone else's story. So as we are moving into these energies, we're going to start to take back control over our reality. And the way we do that is by remembering that there is no single reality, right? We like to think on Earth that we're all in this together, but nothing could be farther from the truth energetically. We are all creating our own universe. In fact, we are each the only one in our universe, which means we can change the program whenever we want to. But one of the ways that we do that is we have to stop paying attention to what everyone else is doing. The more we do that, especially the more that we may be getting sucked into the mainstream stories, anything that the information platforms are trying to get our attention on, the more we create someone else's reality, which just means a reality that benefits them and probably not you. So being very careful where you're placing your attention, your focus. Another way to look at it is, what are you reacting to today? What are you pushing against? Because whenever we are looking out at what everyone else is doing and reacting emotionally, which is just how we're created as humans, right? The more we are doing that, the more we are staying in 3D through our free will choice, because you always have the free will choice of what you put your attention on. So in the coming energies, we're going to be starting to do this less and less. We are going to get much less interested in what everyone else is doing. And we're going to be starting to create our reality from scratch, the reality we actually want to see. And this is going to be a very powerful time for starseeds and lightworkers, because you know how to create. And the Pleiadians were telling us in the last energy report that the door is now open. It is now energetically available for us to move into whatever reality we choose. But to do that, as they were telling us, we have to let go of the old. We cannot be holding on to 3D and moving into the fifth dimensional energies. We have to be willing to let go. So that is what we are going to be feeling very strongly in the energies over the next month or so, is the pull towards sovereignty and authenticity. So it's going to be a very powerful time for us. So as we move forward in these energies, we're going to start getting much more selective, much more choosy about what we give our attention to. We're not going to be falling for all the red flags that are being waved around by the outside world. Those are just invitations to someone else's reality. And we're just not doing that anymore. So that is what I have for you in the current energies. Hope this has been helpful to you. As always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. And if you want to learn all the amazing tools that the Pleiadians talk about in these videos, just click the link in the description to work with me one-on-one. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.